Sharpening a parting tool is done freehand. With no particular angles to adhere to, sharpening is quick and easy. The one thing to remember is if you're sharpening a diamond parting tool, it's important to make sure the cutting point is in line with the widest point of the tool. To sharpen, hold the tool at an angle so that the curvature of the wheel produces a radius on the top side of the tool ending at the cutting point. This long radius adds in chip removal and helps the tool to cut cleanly. Turn the tool right side up and touch up the bevel. When a burr forms on the cutting edge, the tool is sharp and ready for use. When you're done, your parting tool should look something like this.